Hello, so today I'll be looking at the effect of ethanol on the activity of the enzyme catalase. So here I've prepared the ethanol 3% solution. Here we have 4 milliliters of the ethanol solution, which we're going to add to the conical flask. Now we'll add 10 milliliters of distilled water to the conical flask. So here are the 10 milliliters of water. Now we'll add the catalase, and as the source of catalase, chicken liver is known for being a great source of catalase. So we'll be adding 5 grams of the chicken liver to it. Okay, yeah. So those are the 5 grams of the chicken liver. We'll be adding it to the conical flask. We'll make sure to mix it properly so that it's all the catalase is present everywhere during the reaction. Now it's important that we give it a hot water bath, and we'll do it to 39 degrees Celsius. Here's the water bath that I've prepared. We leave it here for 5 to 10 seconds. Okay. So now we'll prepare the hydrogen peroxide, which will be reacting with the ethanol. We've prepared here 2 milliliters of the hydrogen peroxide. As soon as we add it to the ethanol, it's going to start reacting and it will produce oxygen gas, and that's what we're going to measure with the gas pressure sensor right here. So that it doesn't react directly, we'll first add it to the cuvette. And the cuvette, we're gonna make sure to place it in the conical flask so that it doesn't spill or doesn't mix yet, just like this. And now we're gonna add the rubber stopper on top of the conical flask so that when the gas is produced, nothing escapes, and we can measure it. So the gas pressure sensor is connected to the Vernier software on my laptop, and as soon as we click on collect, right here, we will start mixing it so that the hydrogen peroxide mixes with the ethanol and it reacts, producing the oxygen gas. So 3, 2, 1, as soon as I press, I'm going to start mixing. Oh, I didn't press. Okay. Now I'll stop it. So if we zoom in now, we can see this increase in the graph, and this is on the y-axis we see the pressure measured in the kilopascals, x-axis we see the time, and from this graph we can use to measure the rate of reaction by looking at the change in pressure over the change in time. Thank you, and see you next time.